Batterie sehr hoch. Batterie sehr hoch. Batterie sehr hoch. Battery high. High on what? No, high on what? Hypernemesis. Hello all and welcome back to this checkout progress on DefNation4Real on this first day. This 20th November, first day of 2025 on the Asphalt Legends Unite at the episode 220 on again DefNation4Real. I'll be right back, need to set up in here and there, grab me some beer, then we can show actually that game that I'll be not the best driver. Or is it? Nah, that was a joke inside myself. I'm the worst driver actually in here. We already checked out some actually on these DefNation CB because I thought, okay, let's deal it easy in. I know actually we can deal done a lot in there. So that's why I just want to actually make a point in here to play this one in here, and if I'm really bored and not under actually because it's very cold, having some problems by coldness, then we go to DefNation CB as well. Continue actually this story mode, single player mode. As you're already here, I'm tired and I'm done for the day. But well, let's see what's coming up. Oh, there's so much stocking actually in my nose. Oh. Holy moly. Bricks. Got them. Or slash them. Doesn't matter. Oh. Also, I just want to actually get into these top live chat, better say top at live chat. I just give you actually these kind of what I'm playing that for, but I don't can find my cell phone here right now. Better say the computer don't find the cell phone. So we just checking it out. Here we go to 10. Yop. There it is, loud and proud. Here on the DefNation CP account, I just was following actually like DGM on 0, coming in here to this account and it's already deleted. Sometimes it brings it with, sometimes not, even not the language. But it brings the language, because yesterday I was actually going on Japanese language. So weird.
This jam's sparkling in here, you will well enjoy.
It's been gone. Gotcha topic. Why is this commercial always coming up in here? Man. Oh, look at that. I just get a donation. I can give actually DefNation, yeah, see actually a donation right now. Here we go. First time of the month. And see that it's because I didn't actually choose this wild card this time on DefNation CB account. So that's worse. If you have these donations down below actually yourself, like to say, the cheapest one, then you get it. If you have an A class but free rank stars, you don't get it. You can't confirm. You can't donate something like that. This game is seriously a piece of modern hell, you know what I was trying to say. Mother in. Was that sleep away? You're off on the luck. Really pisses me off here right now. Why you bought 100%, you ass? What the mother in hell is wrong with this? I hate that. Hello? Oh well, time for a drink. I think I was today actually, but I kind of what happened to the can? Ooh. 8 beers. This is my 9th beer then. Bis auf Kampagnensport ist ja wieder mit Goldbrust die nicht geschissen. In Vermächtnis. Win the chase, win the race. Can't drive, you can't drive. I don't know if you can drive. Oh, you already did that. 5 times a stunt. Okay, on my way. Oh, look what that is. This is weird. But this is the youngest account right now, DefNation4Real, and already got actually a Noble M600 Speedster. This is crazy. Let's pump this vehicle a bit up. Pump it, I don't... Oh my in hell. I even make Nitro'theBat powered cat. Let's get pumpy. Once must be enough. 80k, oh. What are we living at? Not much I just wanna spend now. Hi. Let's keep on moving. What was that again? 5 stunts is something, right? Somebody just care? No? Ah, me too either. We have enough bag up in here. Cheers up! And pie! That's probably it. So this is like cross the next game. Release the tiger. Wicked. Nice. And we won. And that car has something. I like these engines somehow. I still can remember the engine, right? Or can I? Could I? It has something. Every engine is the same with some of this crack. Look at this. How do you watch that from this? Der Huso-Verein Süd gratuliert. Huso-Verein Süd. Was steht hier? Was ist ich? Autoplay? Are you kidding me? I never watched that one. Wasn't even auto-playable. Playable. Lass mal erstmal wieder das Game schleifen, das kenne ich mal wieder. Ja, Alter, was? Alle meine Autos oder wie? Das sind 21 Autos. Naja, soll es so sein. Hold the microphone is off. Oh, how dare? What are you thinking? Got what it was. Der Schneiderhäube. Lol. 30, look at that. Like it. Twice. A super idiot to drive times, but I was thinking, alright, let's just let it run and you lose 10 seconds, right? But I think it ain't this. What's it saying? 27 with a B car? No, with a C car. Can happen. Oh, come on. Ah, doesn't matter. It's not so bad. It is not so worse. At 24 seconds. Nah, I can't do that. This is bull crack. I try, but this is bull crack. You can't deal down that with a 24 seconds. Absolutely bull crack. Another wild card. What is this? Never got a race. Let's noble that out. Cheers. Oh, come on, that takes you 10 seconds. Can we restart? Huh. Very important lesson we already learned today. If you not crash, you just get sideways. You immediately get actually respawned. For a non-second or thousands of reasons. Oh crap, I can't do his gun. Ugh, that's unfair. Only because I scratched on the wall. But Realität noch. Oh, it's fast. Holy shit. So as the people's actually main watching or not, these are the Elder Scrolls Online. I'm not playing actually tonight or tomorrow, only in the morning time, like normal, but I have to go to work tomorrow. And also actually at the afternoon, actually I'm not, I just want to go to sleep and just want to bring actually, we just, as we call it, actually we're going actually to the Chinese, and so the part is, maybe not tomorrow in the afternoon, not live streaming. Only in the morning time for actually the Elder Scrolls Online. Yeah. If I'm awoke. Or maybe not. Depends all the time. I'm not the youngest anymore. You popping up in here. Brr. What happened? Must be MC Snot or something that's just even done that stuff. 2 or 3 of them. Či tak kampanje šlo, vi se ljudi, ljudi koji prehostitne, šaupt. Hey, we won. Okay. So what the hell? What is it? Can I go forward now? Need some ALU. Actually, I get some credits, but nothing yet. Isolation. Another one. Another struggle. Need the cream, the cream actually in my lips. Like the horse cock semen cream. Where is it? Milked and extreme. Be careful of milked from a horse. Just kidding. Horse cock semen cream. Bah. I'm covered now in horse. Extracted from a horse. Just kidding. Yeah, 48. What was it? 72 hours repair. That bull crack. Not tasting very well. That semen. Oh, bullshit. Get ready. Huh? What happened? I just pressed active the option button. What the? Let's press another button. Pay. Use a nitro. Scat pack. Yeah, we got that. Get moving. Bye bye. Come again. Oder wie war das nochmal? Not please come again. I mean, that's your private life. Oh, come on, kill us off. W. Why is it so expensive? Legend and Legend. Legend. Is that actually what I just... That was yesterday? That was the song? No. Das habe ich gestern die ganze Zeit auf und ab gehört. Ah, komm mal wieder. Nee, das kann nicht sein. Echt? Den Scheiß habe ich gestern die ganze Zeit auf und ab gehört. Willst du mich doch verarschen, oder? Ich krieg jetzt schon... Was war ich gestern denn wieder drauf? Oh. Hier comes the rice shuttle. Was ist los mit dem? Was muss ich ihm lassen? Der meint, jetzt reißt die Karre. Ja, weil man muss auch mal verlieren können. Das ist ein unbeschriebenes und geschriebenes, egal. Was ist drin ist, geht da nicht. Was sagt das eigentlich? Da soll man seinen Steppin aufgehauen hat, wenn man einen Spruch ins Gesicht nicht gejagt hat und vielleicht nur einen in den Untergraben nicht gehauen hat. Geht wieder Brief. Stempel und Siegel, oder wie war das nochmal? Wieder Briefsiegel und Stempel und ein Schlag ins Gesicht. Ach, was weiß ich, wie das nochmal heißt. Jawohl. It wasn't done. Why he's telling me that already? You keep it going, mate. Mighty. Well, we had to be done, yo. For who's alive? Oh. The Corv. That's an A group. What the hell, man? You're driving D group. Hell is that shit? I was so close to win. Somebody crashed. He was a Pango, right? He crashed me. Well, it doesn't matter. Everything's cool. It's just a game. Yo, piss off! Censored. Now we can talk about claiming. Ooh, some good parts for the BMW. In your face. Didn't I? Let's run into the single career. It's career mode, right? It says career, I can't believe that. Come on that side. Ah. Ready actually to go to pee or something, this crack. Full throttle. I don't have that car, I can't do that jump 9 times. So that jumps 9 times, what the fuck? Can't beat that one, whatever. Yeah, that vehicle, man. What's the time? 1:37. Well, let's try. Let's just give a try. Ah, come on! Always fall for the trick. Ah, here we go again. I can't beat that time. What the hell? A stupid stuff. I couldn't see actually a little bit right or left. Ah, this was so fucked up. Yeah, claim. Oh man, why? I need to go to the toilet, be right back. What? Oh, we did it. Oh, it was 137. Okay. Sorry. My mistake. I'm the biggest user here. Oh, it's getting colder here. Until Sunday we have -6 degrees then. Good night. Oh. Was wollen Sie denn entscheiden? Ich hoffe nicht. Genki Dama. Mann, ist das schon lang her. Boah, 20 Jahre schon. Ich weiß immer noch den Scheiß. Krass. Okay. Hat wieder das Licht nicht repariert, der Huso. What the hell is wrong with these guys? Geht immer noch an. Das Auto vorbei ist Feierabend. This is cruel. Yeah, we can't go forward. That's fucked up. Oh, you that do actually 9 jumps. Don't get me wrong, but this is weird. I think I tried it 10 times already out the last half month. I can't find these 9 jumps. Ah, there's the first jump? Okay, that's a Huzo. I wanna really do that. How the hell you should know? Must be a demon in my room. Instantly I bulked or restart, people's not watching anymore. What's the problem with you guys? That I should not play music or something like that. So I was saying you have no resources for that. What are you using for that? You will lose possible rewards you can earn from finish line, plus the resources used to start this race. Plus the resources used to start this. Ah, now I got it. That means you're losing actually a cherry can. That's it. Most of the time I thought actually you have to collect something on the road. Like vermouth, strawberry, potatoes, chips and fish, or something like that. Nah, I got it. If your car is actually run off with the cherry cans, then it's, you know, you can't restart. That's the resource, so it's the cherry can. She's up, kapal, that's what we said, so it's called Brust in geschissen. Gambatte. Oh, oh my gosh, I restarted. I'm a pure idiot. Worst guy around here. Oh my gosh. Now I need to drink. For the drink, here we go. I can't actually can't restart anymore. Oh my gosh, I'm an idiot. We already lost actually a cherry can. De Uperklaas 24. Yamamoto Unijiro. One jump. Jump. Where's the other one? Yeah, no, it's should it go up or should it go down? Oh, that's a jump? That's another jump? I can't believe that. Okay. Ah, here it goes, another jump. You can jump down in here. Okay. Let's trick the system. I can't anymore. Okay. It doesn't matter if I'm losing in here. So I need only one jump. Here we go. There we go. Let's get the jump. Nice one. You got all the jumps. You can go forward, finally. There normally is actually another jump in here. Nice. So always bagging where the 9 jumps are. Now we got 14 jumps. Holy shit. I didn't know this trick. That is nice. Sugoi. Nah, I'm not claiming that. Well, thank you very much, you know. Huh. But we actually already go and leaving and just being in here or something like that. So weird they're doing, right? After 16 4 times, beat the time with 2-5 and escape. So you're already being under pressure on escape, but beat the time actually by 2 minutes and 5, and also do a 4 times in go of 360. These must be actually big ass, whatever they are. Not be real. What are you waiting for? Let's keep on moving then. You learned a lot. Can't let him else. Ah, god damn it, it's always the least, right? I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it. I know it's the end. I thought actually I can do it, but actually I was jammed off. That's fucked up. So what was my time? Can I see at least my time? No. Okay, that's weird. Ah, clank. Finally somewhere we can go forward. I can't see my time? Was it 1 minute 59? Was it 2 minutes 3? Or what was it? So, schau die kann dazu. Geht das oder wie ist das so? Ja, die kennen ja aus, wenn ich Obikuya nicht. Warte mal. Wie ist das so? Die sind ja nicht wirklich dann drin, oder? Ach, er ist drin. Ah, ich glaube, ich hänge. Mit PH, genau, PH. So, bin mal gespannt, ob das gesendet wird oder nicht. Aber so wie es ausschaut, ganz schlecht. So richtig ganz schlecht. Ja, mei, so ist es mit der Jugend. Nee. Meinst die sind up to date, haben's nicht einmal das Handy dazu? Ich glaube, der ist halt ein bisschen, aber der kann ja trotzdem leben, sein Satelliten irgendwo, aber der hat gemeint, irgendwie, der hat schon alles wieder verbraucht. Also Spaß haben ist was anderes da bei der Jugend, ne? Halt aus, der Papa zahlt schon, gell? Jetzt ist schon wieder das Licht da. Ah, Kreuzkratzer, Fox! Einmal reiß ich euch einmal runter. Jetzt weiß ich, was da so stinkt. Das sind meine Schuhe. Das sind die Schuhe. Grütze fix aber da. Richtiger Husowein hier. Kann schon sein, dass ich einen Flakon noch habe. Ach, die fahren doch selber. Weil ich über Menschenerfahrung verfüge. Ja, bei mir wird es jetzt auch bald soweit sein. Jetzt kostet er nicht 200 aussuchen. Which kind of du möchtest deine Dreckert machen? Genau. Ja, dann habe ich die. Leute die an. Au! Oh! Schickers geil. Hauptsache wir haben uns auch mal miteinander wieder. Ja, habe ich die, vierte, servus! Du Hundling, du! Are you speaking English, German oder gebrochen? I don't care. Wo ich den da jetzt gerade da war. Passt schon, hat er gesagt. Hab dich reingeschissen ins Klo. So. Oh, fucking hell. We need another car in here or something's cracked. Oh my gosh. What is this? Shanghai knockdown. I don't know what you need. Let's say you need a car. Must be another car as you have right now. I can't believe that. I had this car actually on all other accounts, but not in here. Wow. I already forgot. That's our Apollo IE as well. Another critter. Let's drop. Let's milk these mother tuckers. More like to win in here, right? Some knockdowns to deal done as well. to third place. I'm not sure, I can't see. It should be over something like a 30k or something, this crack. I don't can see. Oh, Gyro Mag. Here we go. Could have jump it. But then we have only 10 and we need actually 12. Oh, this is not fair. Well, that's it then. That really fucked up. This game is on for us crap. The shift to continue. Struggle continues. Wow, it was costing me a 600k. Piece of shit game. I just would get 600k tonight. He was saying, oh, I don't really care. Yeah. Gonna be a tie one tonight. Better like to see Checksum shut up the fuck.
Mic is off. Too many farts, emoji woozy face, emoji cold sweat.
Cheers up, Kampagne, Anniversary, so wird's kalt berostet, das ist nicht gespielt. Oder haben Sie auch schon aufgewischt? Dann wird's langsam Zeit. Das bleibt jetzt allebei so online oder wie offline. Wird schon passen. Ich hoffe, dass kein Update mehr kommt. Die nächsten paar Minuten. Schauen wir mal. Ganbarmas. All together. Schafft das sich anschleicht, der Helikopter, du. Da reißt du dir Herzblut raus und deine Fetzen aus deiner Haut. Nix passiert. Du hast einfach bloß gewonnen. Ja, mei, an dir, gell, ja, ist ja so, gell, was hast du denn da für einen Scheißschrieb? Brunata möchte dich gerne empfangen am 10.12. Exactly. Wie war das nochmal mit Driften? Vergiss es. Kriege ich jetzt gerade nicht hin. Ja, mei. Mit Klopapier wird's nicht eng. Mit den Socken, mit den Unterhosen wird's nicht eng. Mülltonne, alles, all die ganzen Krampfe ausgeladen. Mülltonne ist auch schon, Mülleimer. Ja, Karutze, fix habe ich gar keine Arbeit mehr daheim. Ja, und den Deckel reinschauen vom Scheißhaus. Ich bin nur dabei, das Wasser lassen. Tippitoppi. What the fuck? Ja, na schneid's bald wenigstens mal mit dem Klopapier, das ich dann ins Klo rein wird. Das letzte Mal dieses Jahres, oder? Dass man sich da nochmal Gedanken macht. Ach, gehör mir doch auf mit dem Geschmarre da. Servus, aha, wie der. Ja, mein Gott, die habe ich schon lange nicht mehr gesehen. Ja, das ist jetzt aber ganz blöd. Ich habe jetzt weiter müssen. Und schon was fort. So ist es im Leben. Tschüss, abgepaart, Schraube, ist so Lutz Gold, Prost und das ist neu. Sag mal, warum läuft da das erste Fix nicht mehr? Aber das ist auf Null oder wie? So grau im Haar. Wird schon passen, hat er gesagt. Ein wenig erhöht. Der Rekord war bei 74k. Sie sind gefinished. Game over. Einen Sarg mit 36 Nägeln, bitte. Was möchte der von mir? 1200. 1,2k. I think actually the BMW is still actually doing down this. Oh, we got actually.
Hello, sir. Emoji saluting face. Emoji saluting face. Emoji saluting face.
Oh yeah, Mr. Chernobyl. Nice we was talking about actually today already from you. Yeah, whatever. Hello. Oh. I think the girl just say greetings, so I say greetings, but I know it's greetings.
Greetings.
See, that girl, greetings, it says. Greetings, she says, but greetings it is. It's greetings. Damn it, I know. That girl is so wrong with us. That's kind of an AI since I have 13 years long, actually, this console. If I say greetings, she say greetings. If I say greetings, okay, she say greetings. Alright, okay, beard. The last one was the right one.
How is your day, sir? Emoji saluting face. Emoji saluting face. How you wanna know? But great funny ad construction site.
Tschüss, abgepaart, Schraube, ist Liter, Lutz Gold, Prost, nicht gespielt. It's a time attack. Chernobyl guy 4.
No problem, man.
What happened with the last 3 guys, dude? You say Chernobyl guy 4. What happened to the other 3 guys before you at Chernobyl? They okay? Janky? Des? Masihado kosan, ukusai desho, Chernobyl ska tsukyo wa. Matte ka? Tasukete? Guy number 3, number 2, number 1. I hope they're okay. Yeah. You got that joke? Chernobyl guy 4. What's with guy 3, 2 and 1? Harsh. Haben Sie bereits den Löffel abgegeben? Gut, der 36. die Nagel eigentlich von meinem Sarg. Gambarimas. Oh, what the hell? Here, gate. Asphalt, the calls. We stay on asphalt. Oh, crack, left, right? Oh my god, I couldn't do that. Forget about it. Keep on moving. Are you kidding me? Come on. That was on the right side. How should I go there? The fantasy? Should I break my car in 2? Split it up? I think something wrong here. Somebody stole my engine. in the end of the finish line. I couldn't hear something. I think it's something like the SFX, can it be? Check the SFX. Nah, I'm not accept that. Too low in budget. For such a bearded guy like myself. The season now has been unlocked. Just behave. What will happen? Yum yum yum. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Let's drink a little bit more. That I think I should do.
I have to greet you every day. If I don't, it will be a sin if I don't greet you.
I have to greet you every day. If I don't, I'll be a sinner that I don't greet you.
You're German.
Oh. Yeah.
You have my respect. Sorry, yay. Thanks a lot, sir.
All be pleasure. Oh, this is what the heck?
No problem, sir.
Oh, the internet is a little bit sloppy here. I was wrote that actually for half a minute ago. Ah, you say that. Okay, I'm not. Oh, okay. I'm confused. So we need actually something better in here. It can be a B car, a rank A car, blah blah blah. Okay, wow, what the hell? Crack the hell. Never can beat that one, right? Okay, we have 208k. Let's see what they're going on with. Oh, it's a 5k, yeah, please. That's nice ass. Oh, what just happened? What just happened? The 40k I don't have for this one. That's crazy enough. A 1-4 we already got. Do that. Doesn't matter, don't worry. I will understand. There will be some event, you know, coming up with this stuff. Are we ready now? We are. We're moving. Black Friday stuff, you know. If you earn hard, you need to give away actually a little hard as well. Is your little guy Forge just gone? Yeah, he is. He don't say actually bye or something. Cheers up, man. Thank you very much for watching by. It's the actually called Chernobyl guy 4. Cheers up, man. Cheers up, campaign. That's what we should do. So let's go. Go to the tag stream. Hello. My controller is starting up to actually vibrate. I have no idea what's going on in here. Why is my controller actually starting up to... Oh man, these Chinese cheap PlayStation 4 controllers. Okay, I have a trick. Give me another controller. My gosh. Activate him. That's my controller right now. Why? Why is it doing that? Super cheap, Chinese, stupid controller. I can't bring it off. Is it? How just making this up. What was the question? Okay, I have now a controller is on already. As you can see here right now, clearly, this is the controller I was activated to normally stopping this controller vibrating. It's vibrating. I can't stop it. Chinese shit. $45? $90. Camouflaged. Chinese? American Japanese branch. What the fuck is wrong with this? It's bullshit. And I can't stop it. Now I have to play actually with this controller. It works immediately. I don't know how to stop actually this stupid controller. Makes this sound. Stop doing it. Hold on, I'm pressing longer the PlayStation button. Let's see what's coming up. I just was making this up. Here we go, it's off. You have to press 10 seconds the PlayStation button on the Chinese PlayStation imitation. PlayStation 4 controller imitation. Well then it works. So, I request myself, let's play actually more with this controller. I'm logged in and the vibration is off. What the hell? What just happened? No, the controller is just actually being normal. Oh god, thanks. I have so many actually PlayStation 4 controllers around on me because I am a guy like actually being hyperactive sometimes to crash them, rip them apart. Exactly. Or just actually break them with the bare hand. The PlayStation 3 controller was actually not so easy to break. As well it was, but my strength is just a little bit higher now. But doesn't matter. The Chinese controller just did say $40 to $50 already as well. They have cheap batteries in there. The platines are actually a little bit fucked up as they resolved actually into like the vibrational shit he run by himself. The L2 R2 button are not working very well on the shoulder buttons. And these L3 R3 analog sticks, they have a very bad moment actually sometimes by aiming. These controllers made only by if you play a little RPG game, MMO or race game. Depends actually. I play very much actually CarX since 6 months, not anymore. The last time I played with the controller, it was perfect to drift, but it gave up as well in this vibration mode, where it was immediately actually in a vibration mode and never was stopped. So that's why I found out to press longer, 10 seconds long, the PlayStation button actually on the controller to release actually this vibration and still actually be a normal controller again. Gosh. This is not coming actually with the introduction actually from China. What the heck? And now my USB 3 hub is just blinking. I popped it up. I know. This weird stuff's coming up in here. Maybe I just was get started up to get hacked by Chernobyl Guy 4. We never will find out. So now I'm fearing actually that my R2 and L2 button actually are working, the shoulder buttons, for something. InScope, das ist mein größtes Ziel im Leben. Ja, Meister, da kann ich dir leider helfen. Wie wir es einfach mal aufhören zu wollen, über andere Leute so böse zu reden. Und das habe ich ihm gesagt und so kam eben der Kommentar von InScope selbst zurück. Schon krass, Alter, wenn man solche Personalitäten bei YouTube kennt, TikTok und all den Scheiß. Was ständig zugemüllt von diesen Antworten, die eigentlich schon Millionen besitzen, wo ich gerade mal auf 1000 Euro sitze. Nein, macht schon echt Spaß. Das sind coole Leute. Die wünschen mir nur den Tod. Und ich wünsche denen keine Rente. Gute Nacht. Cheers up, campaign, a strawberry city, so with gold plus the next stream. 101 minute, then remembers me about 1001 cubic in a year about actually getting the sewers swamped in the border. Cheers up, campaign. Oh God, I can't drink. Blah. Ziegeldreck, Betondreck. Jetzt mach mal halblang hier, junger Mann. Das bisschen Beton da in der Luft, der Staub, das ist überhaupt nicht tödlich. Tödlich ist mehr die Wolle. Asbest! Da ist er doch schon bei der Feuerwehr. Was ist denn los mit dem? Oh je, jeder denkt immer so in der Richtung von, der wird nix in der Firma. Das kriegen wir schon hin. Aber der Nisha schon Basis. Ich kenne Nisha jetzt seit 1,5 Jahren. Das könnte eigentlich mehr mein Onkel sein. Eieiei. Ja, ist so gesehen eigentlich mein Onkel. Ja. Deswegen verstehen wir uns so gut immer. Jeder hat was gegen Nishat. Ich habe einen Scheiß gegen ihn. Wer Nishat angeht, also hat es mit mir zu tun. So schaut's aus. Ich habe den eingelernt, wie auch alle anderen Kandidaten, jeden einzelnen, und ich bin jedes Mal immer für euch alle da. Aber verdammt nochmal, ich hasse es, wenn jemand irgendwie einfach links liegen gelassen wird und noch beleidigt im Hintergrund wird oder hinterm Rücken. Da kriege ich voll die Krise, oder? Das ist nicht menschlich, das sollte nicht sein. So entstehen Kriege. Ah, scheiße. So the cigarette is actually about 1 centimeter. I'm so sorry that I have to only say, I have to smoke my cigarette before we start up in here. Sorry for that one. Another 1 minute. Click, clack, clack, then. What then a motherfucking fault about the Uber class threat of the year. What's with the Ostlover? What's with the DefNation Golden Autumn? There's so many playlists that have actually not actually been released actually for something like go forward or something. To bring new songs and stuff. Yike. Let the cat decide. DefNation4Real? We just stay? Or you just want to say, alrighty. We just make our thing in here. Instead of DefNation CB. Alright, she's fit. Okay, she say go forward with the DefNation4Real account in here. Thank you very much. And the head of the year goes to her. Pow pow. Now. And swinging and swinging and swinging. Könnt ihr unser anlernender Lehrbur ein... Na, das ist Blödsinn. Jetzt bist du schon 21 Jahre auf der Baustelle, oder? Muss ehrlich sagen, wenn du mal 10 Jahre lang durchgehalten hast, dann hast du jeden Scheißdreck gegeben. Aber du musst jetzt natürlich erstmal besser werden. Das heißt, du musst also in die sage ich mal 2 Jahre, mal richtig Gas geben. Dann tust du noch deine 8 Jahre und dann siehst du mal, wie es Arbeit ist. Und du bist kräftiger geworden und dann haust du mal richtig rein. Und dann nach den, sag ich, guten 10 oder 12 Jahren, kannst du mal sagen, heute lasse ich mir am Arsch lecken, mir geht's nicht gut, arbeite ich. Aber nicht so wie alle. Wie bei der Arbeit zuschauen, das ist das Schlimmste, was du machen kannst. Oder hast du schon mal einen Schäferhund in die Augen geschaut und der hat dir nicht zugeschnappt? Dann kannst du davon ausgehen, dass er da bald die Unterhosen nicht nur auszieht, sondern der Arschbacken wegfrisst. Wir beide sind Fische, das weiß ich, aber ich vergleiche mich immer gern auch mit einem Schäferhund oder mit einem Delfin, wohl kaum. Eher mit einem Krokodil, also bitte schauen wir nicht so oft bei der Arbeit zu. Ich hasse es, wenn Leute hinter mir stehen. Es ist nicht um das, dass ich meine Qualität als Arbeiter nicht geben kann oder sonst irgendwas. Ich mag einfach nicht beobachtet werden, weil ich selber weiß, dass ich hässlich bin, dass ich unschön bin, dass ich einfach nicht so sein möchte, wie wo ich mit 18 Jahren gesagt habe, hey, wow, ich brauche nicht einmal trainieren, ich hab schon ein Sixpack. Dann habe ich trainiert. Und dann, seitdem ich beim Finsterer bin, nach 10 Jahren, dann jetzt werde ich fett. Aber richtig. Kannst du mal richtig Wammerl rausschneiden aus mir. Aber bitte erst die linke Seite und dann die rechte Seite, dass er mal das Herz einmal richtig wieder durchatmen kann. Sagt eh keiner zu, oder? Ich sprich grad Deutsch. Oh mein Gott, die haben ja so Angst, wenn irgend so ein Depp da Deutsch redet, gell? Sprichst Englisch, bist laut. Kannst du für die Kinder, die mit 8 Jahren jetzt da zuschauen, gell? Spät es jetzt auch auf dem Handy. Schauen wir mal. Wie viele Leute sind denn heute aktiv auf dem Spiel? Auf der PlayStation 4. Ich möchte aber PlayStation 5. Mama. Also, wir haben da schon mal einen Schirm Elisabeth. Das ist schon mal ein Spanier. Dann kommt der Depp, also ich halt. Dann kommt da schon wieder ein Spanier aus irgendwie Terrence Twitch da irgendwie. Und das war's. Das ist, viel läuft da halt nicht. Alter, ich stehe da unter den Videos unter Top 2. Wie kann das denn sein? Das sind ja nur 76 Aufrufe. Ich glaub, da war ich Psuffer. So geil. Ich glaub, da war ich Psuffer. Ja, mir ist das persönlich... Jürgen hat dann gesagt, wenn dir das nicht mehr taugt, ich kann dir ein Taxi mit 20 Euro statt 50 Euro bestellen. Dingsbums, weißt schon, dann geht's da Ding da auf die Dingbahn. Na, hab ich da gesagt, ich warte auf Peter. Peter hat dann über Handy nicht geantwortet. Also habe ich den Franz angerufen. Franz hat dann gemeint, ich bin noch deppert da, oder wie? Was soll ich jetzt da? Du sollst jetzt mich da, Dingsbums da zum Dings hinfahren. Den Dingsen, oder wie? Ja, ich möchte halt nach jedem, du weißt schon, den Ding da, die Palme-Ding da, weißt schon? Er hat dann so gemeint, das ist ja gar nicht möglich, er ist auch gerade beim Dingsen-Bumsen da. Entschuldige, ich hab mich verwählt. Dingsen hat die dazu. Das ist nicht schlimm, das ist gerade jetzt meine Cousine. Aha, das lasst mir jetzt einfach mal in Kommazahlen aus und dann Dingsbumsen das dann auch schon mal irgendwann anders. Also Dings dann, viel Spaß beim Dingsenbumsen. Dingsenbumsen, Avidere. Dann bist du da gestanden. Hast du gedacht, was der Depp war das jetzt? Ach, der Dingsbums da. Der Cousin oder Dingsen da, oder? Ja, dann hat er sich ja so ein Dingsbums eingeschenkt. Ich gesagt, sie fix, die Menschheit, nee, die ist ja nicht mehr ganz dicht. Mit der Dingsenbumsen da. Müssen wir uns zurückhalten. Jetzt bin ich ja auch schon über 70 Jahre alt. Nee. Ein Dings, da muss ich dann schon mal sagen, es langt mir. Da bricht die Welt zusammen. Da bist du froh, wenn du aufstehst im Bett und nicht die Bettdecken mit dir. Das hat alles schon seinen Organsinn. Dingsbums da. Na, überhaupt nicht, gell, überhaupt nix. Gehst da in die Arbeit und kommst wieder heim, denkst, Dings, da war doch was Ding und flachst die dann in die Duschen rein und Dings und was ist jetzt? Ding, ich glaube, ich werd so Dingsbums alt. Super, irgendwie da zu kurz geladen, Dingsbumsen da. Zwischen die Dingshaxen da. Mir egal, gell. Andere Milliarden Dingsbumsen haben die, gell. Dings an Scheißdreck. Im Gefängnis. Nicht verklagt. Sofort wieder raus, Dingsbums, irgendjemand Jürgens. Oder wie hat der geheißen da, der Schrotthändler da. Magat oder so, oder Dings da. Bayern, Dings. Weißt schon? Ei, da, Dings hab ich keine Dings Ahnung nicht, ne? Cheers Dings ab, Cheers Kampai und Dings ab, Salüse Dings, oder so. Essentielle Dings da. Verstehst du mich? Dings da. Hm? Ich muss jetzt bloß eins sagen, ich bin Dings auch nicht Dings lustig, Dingsen da, weil ich da danks den Dingsen da nicht dankbar bin zum Dingsen, durch dass ich Deutsch bin, Dings da. Jetzt glaube ich, kann ich selber Dingsen da irgendwie mit dem Klopapier, wo hocke ich jetzt gerade, wo da Dingsen da auseinander sollst du setzen mit dem ganzen Dingsbums, Dingsen da. Ah, Dings da halt. Verstehst du mich? Ah, Lebenseinstellung. Ja. Ja, jetzt haben wir's getroffen. Haben's einen schönen Abend. Habe mit dem Dings da. Verstehen Sie? Jetzt muss ich mal schnell Dingsen durch, dass die Klobrille auch mal wieder Dingsbums bewässert wird. Jetzt ist das Dingslicht da wieder beim Nachbarn Dings auch wieder da am Balkon Dings. Was ist denn das für ein Dingsbeweger da? Melder Dings da. Ach so, ein Dingsbums-Tab. Ah, das kann der Dingsbums Elektro. Das geht mir gar nicht in den Schädel rein. Und nein, ich bin noch nicht Dings. Ich bin erst Dings da, wäre ich dann einmal irgendwann dienstlich Dingsbums, dann der dienstlich. Was hat er gesagt? Hat das Dings halt. Ah ja, genau. War ja schon das Ding da halt. Ja, war Dingsbums anstrengender Dingsbumstag. War sehr lustig, der Dingsbumstag. Dingsbums Dienstag. Tuesday, Thursday, hold on. What was that going on? Der Trinktag halt, Dingsbums da. Da war schon wieder Dingsbums 54, was war das? Minuten da. Ha! Dings, Abend da, weißt du wie man? Eine Frechheit, Dingsbums da. Der war doch einfach nicht mehr da. Also ich weiß nicht, Dingsbums wird die Bürodame Dings da, mit dem Dings da zusammen, also na. Null Ahnung. Null Ahnung, ich mag Ahnung gehabt haben, aber Dings, das hätte ich selber machen können. Aber Dings hat er mir gesagt, das muss perfekt auf 25 Dings Meter da sein. Kubik. Nee. Sei Hebyanlage da, sei Wärmepumpen Dings da. Ich glaube, ich muss Dingsen bumsen da. Ist das ein Dingsbums? Ich glaube, ich sollte das Dingsbums wieder schnaudern, Dingsenbumsen da. Aber der, Dingsen, Mikrofon, Dingsenbumsen. Ja, det är typ allt som jag sagt. City of Gang. Gang, gang, gang. City of Gang. City of Dreams. City of Gang, City of Bass, City of whatever you just would dream. City of Dreams, City of Dreams. Rest backs. It's jazz. Dieser Kapal in der Strawberry City, so it's called Rosti next beam. Gang, gang, gang. Shovel in the ears. Pump them up, yeah, my bro. Gang, gang. Beloved Cyberpunk 2077.
$2077 URL. Pump it up. As I do. 1.
Perfect Nitros, a shocker twice as well. But I'm drinking. Have fun. Come bottom out. I didn't know about the shortness. Oh, come on, you fool. A 57K. Where the fuck are you living at? Okay, let's win. 30 seconds, I didn't watch it. I was saying actually win the race. Holy shit. he's just gone. Lamborghini versus BMW. That is, you always losing. Whip it out. Let's try again. Lamborghini versus BMW. Crazy crack. Can you win anyway by realistic numbers? Yeah. Yeah, I think you can win. It's just these SMPs about this jumping around or just being lol and driving forward. But the police, the popo, makes a lot of angry. Let's try again. If you tap the police, you're losing a lot of speed. That's a problem. Gambarimals. Wait, not check the motherfucker. He's winning again. Can't keep stupid ass wipe. I can't win. This mother talker just ran me all the time. I can't win. I lost hope. AI is stupid as hell. AI versus AI is stupid as hell. So it's actually real life versus AI, and let's see what happens. Actually, you saw that actually before. We are losing. Can't win this one. Here they are, there's some fucking enforcers. Yeah, thank you very much. And that's it. You can't win. I want to go to the left side, goddammit. The first guy is already going to the finish line. Well, he's gone. He's just gone. Piece of motherfucker. I can't even... These stupid police. It pisses me so much off. I can't win. I can't win here. Nine versus 1. Who is it? Here we go. Okay, I snatched everybody else off. I should think he's going first place. Get me off! Oh, stop! I can't win anymore. Shit! I'm losing. I'm losing. This is bullshit. Ah, no resources. But this is not fair. It's always police stop me, or the stupid drivers. 1 versus 9. What is this? Get the fuck light off in the neighborhood. I have to drift with my socks already in my apartment. Oh, you can't win. This is just like, you play lottery? 1 to 50. Maybe I'll win the next time. Maybe. I really don't want to do that. To let you watchers actually see that stuff. Oh, that pisses me off hard. You can drive perfectly with the AI, you're losing anyway. The Popo stops you where actually you can win. Versus a Lamborghini, even though it's impossible to win with a BMW against a Lamborghini. But the Popo stops you, crash you. Oh my god, you wanna go left? No, no, you don't go. This is a 50 to 1, you win. So it takes me right now another 39 tries. 39 tries. Fuck you. Frost asshole dabs. You're just creating. Hey, listen up, listen up. The neighborhood has these lights on. And somebody lied me on. There's only 3 lights on and not actually 9 lights on. And complete actually to say a person just come on the sideways, a car came on. These are not made. Well, he was lying, man. What is wrong with this guy? He lied. There's no lights for the other balconies. Man, I can't believe that, how he lying all the time. You have a lot of problems. He needs to get it fixed, man. What is wrong with him? He's lying all the time. Not with us. Next year actually somebody's coming. I just actually pretty good at dealing done, actually work double times as he dealing done with. And she's younger than him. How the hell? Because she's from a farm hood. Like I'm from a farm hood. He's a big liar, man. I hate liars. What's he not? I can't win in here. I can't win. And the total credits going lower and lower and lower. Get away with this shit. I wanna come forward. I'm hating from this crack. I need just to win. My gosh, this is so fucked up. Last try. I just give us so much away actually. Now we stopped by this shit. Typical Frost, stupid micro catch in. Why these people? Why this police is against me? Not these other drivers. Why these against me and not the other drivers? I'm losing so much time. And the other guy is actually already in the finish line. You can't pep them up, man. Why me all the time? You see 2 cars, they're coming up with 600 cars, and there's another car actually. Wow, I can't win. Wow. They're sending even already actually dead cars into my car. No. This is made up. I need a beer. This is made up. There's only one guy that wins all the times. He pay for that. I can't win. You destroy the police officers, you patrol officer, whatever cars you're driving, you kick ass them, and another that even they coming with no person passenger inside the car. No. This is so much against me all the times. You pump up your car with a lot of money, like 100,000. It doesn't matter. You guys got creeps. Yeah, sure. Thank you. And here we go. Thank you. I can't grab the fucking golden shower on my face. Drift, and I'll try to my chance. And they're already in the finish line. Here we go again. No, I quit. I'm done. I'm done. Okay, I'm done. Cheaters. I'm done. Okay, done with this shit. You piece of shit game. Made up by Frost. What do you want to wait for it? They're stupid, retarded, and just building up a atom plant. They're all against, actually, for all over the world for the economic. They just give a fuck. What do you wanna do? Done with these assholes? Make war, no love. Fuck life. Kill them all. That's my message, man, today. Kill them all. Because actually Germany pays so much actually from all over the world. To all over the world, I'll say. But we not get asked about it. Go fuck yourself with all your statics. Well, that's music, man. That is music. It spiced my life up. Loud, vertical, actually, techno drum bass music.
URL.
Drift, baby. Just drift. Es Blumenlauf drinken. What is that? Appreciate it. From the start. Wie er meinen Namen noch gewusst hat.
Godspeed for the last time. My reviews like my past life. My demons mad that I'm too fast. Furious when I zoom past. Bite the dust while I dash. The villain gets the last laugh. Thought I had the white hat, but I did some dirt, now it's black. Who gon' smoke? I got gas. Who gon' choke? Who gon' gag? Who gon' boast? Who gon' brag? Who gon' boast of this rap when I goes in my path? Am I an angel or a devil? I'm only human, so I guess both. Am I an angel or a devil?
What the photo? One of the newest Porsche GT3 just came out, D.R.O for 2 years ago. Official for multimillionaires. All inclusive. What the hell? Talking about 720k. Will be.
Good night.
Shadows shade, it's a dog eat dog world, every dog has a day.